All right, today we're going to be taking care of this question. Linseed oil, what do you do after you've finished using it? The rags, can you throw them like that? No, no, no. Combustible, possible fire hazard. I'm going to show you how I dispose of mine. All right, thanks for clicking. Welcome to my channel and to this video. So we've got some wood boiled linseed oil here, and this went on a project that I was doing as basically a stain, and it's a really wonderful material to work with. I was renovating an old wooden sled. I basically stripped it down, sanded it down, and took it apart and basically kind of refinished it because the old finish originally had started to deteriorate. And this thing is like vintage, old school sled. But I digressed a little bit. So, moral of the story here, I was moving along well, and I accidentally stumbled upon doing some research online about linseed oil that, hey, you should dispose of this properly, because apparently if you just kind of toss the rags with linseed oil in it, it can actually combust and present a fire hazard. This is my saturated linseed oil. I can't just leave it here and walk away from it. So plenty of people bring it out into the open. You can like air it out, just kind of leave it out there, not fold it up, but actually, laid out. But I like to take this old metal flowering watering can and have it in the garage with me, and I just drop it in there. It's got water in there, and so there's no way in theory that this could ignite or combust. And even in the remote possibility that it does, I mean, fire and water, I've never heard of that happening before. It is contained inside this metal canister. In fact, I've got my brush and I just kind of dunk everything in there, and that's kind of a short-term solution, right? Just kind of keeping it saturated in water. Now, if you walk away forever, the water will evaporate out, and then you're left with probably a mildewy mess, and the oil is still in there, and that could possibly be a problem. So once I'm kind of done with my project, I bring it and I actually rinse it out, and then clean up anything that, there's a cleanup job that goes into the can, into the water, and I basically rinse it out with a garden hose in the back or even in the sink here, and then I let it air out after that, and then it should be good to go. You can reuse these. I've never had a problem with it using this method. So hopefully this helps you out.